Hello students, good morning and welcome back to the online class. So we'll continue with the consignment account problem. So in the previous class we solved the full-fledged problem where there was two abnormal losses, right? So today we'll solve one more problem. This is very simple, easiest one. That is, they asked for in your semester examination. You have to prepare only consignment account and Akshay's account in the books of Karthik. That's all, okay? So you first to take down the problem. So take down the problem. Okay. So here the Karthik sent 100 bicycle costing rupees 2500 each to Akshay to be sold at the risk of the consignor. Okay. So the Akshay was to get the commission of 6% on the bicycle sold. Okay. Now here the Karthik has sent the goods to Akshay, right? So Karthik is the consignor and the Akshay is the consignee. The receiver of the goods is consignee. This the passer, the sender of the goods is a consignor. So he has sent 100 bicycles at rupees 2500 each. Each means one bicycle cost 2500. Akshay will get 6% commission on bicycles sold. So on sale, you have to calculate the commission. Karthik paid 6000 towards freight and insurance. So entire expenses of the consignor is non-recurring. Akshay took the delivery of consignment by paying 2000 for carriage and unloading, 4000 for salesman, salaries and go down. Now Akshay paid 2000 for carriage and unloading. Carriage means to bring the goods, the transportation cost or the fees what you pay. Okay. So carriage means that is the movement, the passage. The goods is transferred from one place to another. What amount you pay. So in Kannada we call it a sagane. Means you are moving the goods. So it is till the gate, right? And unloading, it is a combined expenses. See here, carriage and unloading is done at the gate, means you brought the goods. So unloading and carriage is the non-recurring expenses salesman salaries. So you are paying salesman a salary. When you appoint the salesman, when you receive the goods, when the goods is kept in your go down, then you appoint the salesman. Then that salesman will sell the goods, right? So this takes place after the goods enters the gate. So this is recurring expenses. Okay. So 2000 is non-recurring and 4000 is recurring. Akshay sold 50 bicycles at rupees 2,800 each for cash and 30 bicycles for rupees 3,000 on credit. Now, credit means debtor. So you remember one thing, you see the format. In the entire format, in which ledger account you find the debtor entry? See the entire format. So only one side, one ledger account you are going to write debtor. That is in the books of consignee under that consignor's account. In consignor's account you write a debtor, right? So this information you will record only if you are preparing consignor's account in the books of consignee. Okay. So, but when you show it, when you show sales value, you have to show it full. Okay, 50 into 2,800 is 30 into 3,000. Means entire this 80 units of bicycle is a sale. But you, when you prepare consignors account in the books of consignee, you have to show it as a debtor and the cash. Akshay settled their account with Karthik. Now, in this problem, there is no abnormal loss account. So, the first working note, you are not supposed to prepare that. And the second one, you have to see the closing stock. In this problem, there is no normal loss also. Then you have to follow the another format, that is proportionate. Okay. So, you have to prepare consignment account and Akshay account in the books of Karthik. Only two ledger accounts, consignment and Akshay. Okay, so we'll start with the working note. There is only one working note, that is calculation of consignment stock when there is a normal loss. Now this you have to solve. Okay, so I will give 3 minutes to calculate the consignment stock. Now you have to do this. Keep it in mind, there is no abnormal, sorry, there is no normal loss, so you have to follow the another method. Okay, start. Okay, now you check your answer. Cost of goods unsold. So cost of goods, sorry, first the bicycle consigned, that is 100. There is no normal loss, there is no abnormal loss. So 50 bicycles were sold on cash and 30 bicycles were sold on credit. So total sale 80. So left with 20 units. So each cost 2500. So here there is no invoice price, only the cost price. So each cost 2500. So 20 into 2500, it comes to 50,000. Next, how to add non-recurring expense of consignor, that is proportionate. So how to add? See, it is 6,000 the non-recurring expenses incurred by consignor on 100 bicycles. So we want to for 20 bicycles. So cross multiplication, 6,000 into 20 divided by 100. Next, again the same thing, 20 by 100, but only 2,000 is the non-recurring expenses, that is carriage. So this is the only one non-recurring expense incurred by consignee. So total 51,600, 20 units, 51,600 is the consignment stock. Okay. So if you did it right, then you draw the lines for consignment account. So if you made a mistake, then you correct it. So in the books of Karthik, so is the consignor, you have to prepare consignment account. So two goods are sent on consignment, that is 100 into 2,500, it comes to 2,50,000. So next the expenses that is incurred by consignor. So 6,000 is an expenses, that is for freight and insurance incurred by consignor. So you have to write two bank 6,000. Okay, next one. So expenses incurred by consignee. So Akshay is the consignee. So he incurred 2,000, that is for carriage and unloading. 4,000, that is for salaries and go down rent. So total 6,000. Okay, next. Same. That is by Akshay. So Akshay sold the goods. So you have to write his name. So on cash as well as credit, 50 units on cash, that is at the rate of 2,800 each, and 30 units on credit basis, that is 3,000 each. So multiply, and as total figure you take it to the outer column. Okay, next one, commission. So that is on sales. So my total sale is 2,30,000 on that 6%. So next that is consignment stock. That is working note number 1. So the difference is transferred to P&L account. So after consignment stock, you do the total and find over the balance that is transferred to P&L account. Okay. So the total is 2,81,600. The difference is 5,800. Okay, next that is the last ledger account. They asked you to prepare the consignees account, that is Akshay's account. So now the consignee account you have to do this. So do it first. I will give 5 minutes. Do it fast. Okay, check your answer. So first it is two consignment, that is 2,30,000, that is sale. Then by consignment, that is expenses, and another one that is commission. Then the difference is transferred to bank account. So total 2,30,000, the difference 2,10,000. Okay. So this is the end of the illustration. Now next to your one homework problem, the same format. You have to solve it and you have to send it to my personal WhatsApp number. Okay. So take down the problem. So simple problem you have to solve and you have to send it to my WhatsApp number with the name, roll number and class. So take down fast. Okay, so this you have to solve. You have to take the pic and you have to send it to my personal WhatsApp number with the name, roll number, and class. Okay, that is very much important because I have to make the note of that. So I'm making a note of every activity that I give to you because the internal marks to be I will allot on the basis of that also. So please mention your name, your class, as well as the roll number. Okay, I'm telling that is a roll number, not the register number. The class roll number you have to mention. Okay, so I end today's class till here, so remaining we'll see in the next class. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.